right. There we go. Let's go make some food. Yay! I'm so happy we got all these groceries. Now we can make a yummy lunch. Okay, first, let's set these down right here. Okay, stay there. Oh, I almost forgot. After going to the grocery store, playing in the mud, going to the playground, anything and everything like that, we have to wash our hands before we eat, or even wash our hands before we make food. So, let's turn on the water, and then we wash our hands for about 20 seconds. Yep, that's about 20 seconds. That'll be fine. Okay, all right, here we are. We need, that looks a little too big. I'm not that hungry. So let's wait a second. This is a bowl. Yeah, this is a bowl. We need a plate because you and I are gonna make a sandwich. Perfect. One green plate. Let's put that right there. Let's start out with some bread. See? 2 slices of bread. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Then let's put some yummy lettuce on there. Yum! Okay, so we have some bread and some lettuce. Oh, a tomato. Yeah. Let's take the tomato. So we have bread, lettuce, and tomato. And then, hey, here we go. We could put some onions on there. Yeah, nice and chopped. Okay, so we have bread, lettuce, tomato, onions, and let's do pickles. Yeah, yummy pickles. Okay,